Welcome to my channel. My name is Abdul Kabir Shutonde. Today we are going to look at the overview of what we shall be expecting in my channel. We are going to look at the use of Microsoft Excel for daily needs. We are going to look at how we can use Microsoft Excel for our day-to-day activities. Are you a business owner? Are you a teacher? Are you a school management? Or you are a student? So how do we use Microsoft Excel? We shall be taking it from start to finish. So this one doesn't mean whether you know how to use Excel before or you don't even have idea of how to use Microsoft Excel, because we are going to take it step by step from the beginning. So if you are a beginner, there is no problem. Just take it step by step and do it the way we do it in the channel. So whether you are using it, want to use Excel for your business activities, we are good to go, because we shall be bringing some data that have to do with our business activities. If you are in educational institution, you are a teacher, you are a student, you are a school management, shall be working on it. So we are going to be looking at the data that has to do with the school management, the teaching staff. You want to record the scores of your students, you want to manipulate things, you want to automate your data. It's going to be very interesting, because we are going to move from the beginners to the advanced level. So for non-teaching staff, you are a bosser, or you are the one that handle the school data, this channel is for you. Whether you are a student, how do you use Microsoft Excel to perform some data analysis? We are going to be dealing with it. We are going to be using it for administration of various organizations, whatever organization. What we are going to be doing here is just something that cuts across every organization. So you have opportunity to ask us questions where you need any question, to perform simple calculations, how to perform some statistical calculations. All these are what you shall be dealing with in this. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, love and share, and let everybody knows about this channel.